Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Docker engine keeps freezing at the startup screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features On or Off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to locate the Windows subsystem for Linux on here. And if it's checkmarked in here, you want to uncheck that and then select OK. And then you would need to restart your computer once you made that change if one was necessary. And now hopefully the issue's been resolved. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the Windows features one more time here. Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the HyperV section in here, checkmark HyperV, and then make sure HyperV platform is also checkmarked if possible. So the processor does not have the required virtualization capabilities, hence why I'm unable to checkmark that. But in your case, you should be able to. And then you would just select OK, and then give that a moment. And then once that's done, you will need to restart your computer. And then hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.